In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Xero account. Open your browser, head to the Xero login page, select login, enter your email and password, and complete any two-step authentication if it appears. Then click login to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of your business. From here, move to the top menu and open the Business tab, then choose Bills to Pay. This section lists your bills by status: draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the bill you want to remove. Click the bill to open its details. If you see a less payment link on the bill, that indicates a payment has already been applied or the bill has been reconciled to a bank statement line. Xero won't let you delete a bill that's linked to a payment, so the first step is to undo that link. Click the less payment link to jump into the related bank transaction. On the transaction screen, look for the Options button. Click Options, then choose Remove and Redo. Xero will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and click Yes. This removes the reconciliation and detaches the payment from the bill. It does not delete your bank statement line. It simply returns that statement line to the bank reconciliation screen so you can match it correctly later. The bill itself moves back to an awaiting payment status, which makes it eligible for deletion. At this point, you can proceed to delete the bill if that's appropriate, or void it if you need to preserve a record for your period reporting. Before you do, consider the accounting impact. Removing a paid bill changes your payables and can affect prior reports. If you're unsure, check with your advisor, especially if the bill relates to a closed or reported period. A few helpful tips as you work. If you don't see bills to pay, your user role may not have permission to manage bills. Ask an administrator to update your access. If the bill came from a repeating template, deleting the bill won't stop future ones from being created. So review or disable the repeating template separately. And remember, Remove and Redo is a clean way to fix mistakes because it preserves your audit trail and lets you re-reconcile the bank line accurately. That's the process. Sign in, go to Bills to Pay, open the bill, follow the less payment link, choose Options, use Remove and Redo, and confirm. You're now set to delete the bill with confidence.